All right, everybody, we are back. Dr. Blumenthal back with you here in the Natural Transplants Maryland office, and we have David here. David, welcome back, man. You look incredible. We're going to put the before pictures up. Now, you've had 2 procedures. You've had the before pictures we'll put up, and maybe we'll even put up after the first procedure, but you've had 2 incredible steps. Tell us how it went. Tell us how you like it.
Everything is great. Super pleased with the results. I mean, even that second procedure, even being pleased with the results from the first, but that second one really seemed to, like we talked about then, that second kind of coat of paint really seal everything in nicely. And I'm just, couldn't be happier with the results. Everything's been going great.
Looks awesome, man. And you had good results from the first one. It's just, there are, depending on your expectations and also depending on the hair type, you got normal white guy hair.
I have super fine white guy,
thin hair.
Germanic hair.
Exactly.
So that second procedure really.
Exactly. Sometimes you just need that second coat to give it just a little bit more pop, a little bit more density. Same thing with me. I did a second coat myself. And it is, for you, I think it made all the difference in the world. It looks incredible. And
I really do too, especially when you're out in bright light, you kind of get that extra shine through. So the second procedure.
And you said your barber, who you've had for many years, was impressed with the transformations.
So my barber, who said he's been cutting hair for 30 years, said it's the best procedure he's ever seen. He says he's seen all kinds of procedures and really was just shocked at the results and how natural it looks, how completely undetectable that scar line is, even when the hair on the sides is cut really short. There's nothing there.
And do me a favor, now that we're talking, sort of turn like this, and you can cut it pretty short. There's nothing. You can probably even go shorter than that, to be honest. It looks great.
Definitely. Yeah. Like this is about 3 weeks out from getting it cut, but there's nothing there. It's
awesome.
You can't see it.
And we had shared you had a little bit issues with some ingrown hairs after was it the first and second one, or just the second one?
So yes, after the first and second one, I would say it was more severe on the second one because I think I did the plus procedure on the second one.
Yep.
But around that 2-3 month mark, the ingrown hairs, you start getting the pimples all over the top of your head, and it's itchy, intensely itchy. So just trying to resist that. I had that call with you around that time just to make sure this was normal, expected behavior, and you clarified that yes, this was typical.
It can happen. It doesn't happen with everybody, but it can, and it doesn't mean anything's wrong. But it can be annoying.
It lasted about maybe 3 weeks, and then things started to resolve naturally. And I was good about not scratching them, popping them. So really, if anyone else goes through that,
it happens.
Just try to resist the urge to scratch.
Well, do me a favor. Well, now that we have you here, just sort of put your head down like that and hold it for maybe 2 or 3 seconds. And we're going to overlay the before pictures on it as well too. And then awesome. And then look back straight at me, and then pick a side, either left or right. And then hold it. Awesome. Man, God, it is incredible. All right. And then other way. David, man, that's the new you, man. Love it.
And the nice thing about this procedure, it's obviously I'm not going to shame anyone for whatever kind of cosmetic work you're getting done, but it's not like I came in and said I want black curly hair. It's not making yourself a different person. It's just kind of bringing something back. That you had lost a little bit of. So it does make a big difference than just the overall confidence level, just feeling like yourself. Because for me, this wasn't something I was doing to impress anybody else, but it's just kind of about yourself, how you feel about yourself when you look in the mirror. And I think it's something I would really encourage anyone who's experiencing that kind of same emotion about it to definitely consider looking into it.
Awesome, man. Love it. Thank you so much for sharing your story with everybody. Send us postcards and pictures as the wind blowing through your hair when you're on a boat somewhere in the Caribbean or something like that. But thanks for sharing your story with everybody. Hopefully this resonates and inspires some other people. Take care, man. Appreciate it. Looks
Definitely.
great.
Thank you, Dr.
All right,
Blumenthal.
David. Take care. Bye.
You guys and everything.